Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will tell you how to fix CapCut not exporting. Problem will be fixed. Follow this step, don't skip video, solve your problem. First of all, open your mobile setting, tap on settings and scroll down and tap on mobile apps and scroll down and tap on CapCut app and scroll down and tap on permission, turn on all permission and tap on storage and tap on clear cache and clear data and go back and tap on app details in store. Make sure that your CapCut app is updated. If not updated, first of all updated CapCut app and go back and now tap on CapCut and tap on new project and select any video, tap on add. Solve your problem. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.